Hi guys, this is Niranjana from Leo Tales. I hope you guys take note of the channel name difference. Earlier it was Shopaholic Leo, but starting from January 2018, it is going to be Leo Tales by Niranjana. So if you guys have not subscribed yet, this is the right moment. Thank you so much. So today we will be unboxing Frizzeel. This is the first subscription box for the year 2018 and it is a jewelry subscription as you already know. They have 3 editions, Shimmer Mini at 600, Shimmer at 900 and Glitz at 1500. We will be unboxing the Shimmer at 900 today. It is a personalized box. All the options would be listed at the end of the video. So let's get started. Received in my Frizzeel Shimmer bag. All the jewelry pieces are neatly wrapped up in this gift box. It's good that it reached me on Jan 1st itself. It feels like a gift. And then I have the pouch here. So you have an option to choose either the pouch or a sling. As you know, all the options would be listed at the end of the video. So let's start with the pouch. This is how it looks like. It's a washable material and it's like a money wallet. It has this elephant print on it. And inside that it has 2 racks. And also you have a zipper where you can maybe keep money, and then there is some place for card. It's nice. It's like more like an envelope clutch, but it's cute. You can definitely put it in your bag or you can carry it when you travel. So this is the first product. Quality right now seems to be good. So now we'll open up the box and see what we have inside. I know what's inside because it is like a personalized box, but anyway, let's open it up. This is how the Frizzeel box reached me. I'm happy that sometimes when I get similar boxes, they're all broken, but this box reached me in perfectly good condition. So I really appreciate it. And also it has a label that says Frizzeel. And inside that, first I have the chocolates. Even December I had the chocolates, but I didn't even show you because I ate it even before I started filming. So here we have the dark chocolates. I have tasted them before. There are 5 different variants and they taste very good. I think there is chocolate, there is caramel. They're very tasty and they maintain the shape as well. As you can see, it's not melted. So this is like first, it's not a product, it's like a goodie thing. And then you have a lipstick from Half and Half Cosmetics. It is from the Color Intense range. Price is 225 rupees. You have shade options. You're getting 3.8 grams. And the shade that I picked is 3.8 Burgundy. The body of the lipstick looks like very similar to the L'Oreal one. And it comes with the seal also. So that is good. Okay. This is how the shade that I picked look like. It's like a good nude shade, I guess. Yeah. This is how it looks like. I have another from the same range. It's a good matte lipstick. It's not very drying and you can prep your lips in advance if you want, but it's a very pretty shade. Lasting bar is also good. For the price, it's decent and the packaging is also very nice. It's pretty actually, looks like a metallic body. So this is my first product. And then as you can see, all the jewelry pieces are in here. Then as you know, there are lots of options. You can check at the end of the video how they are. So I picked this bracelet first and this is how it looks like. It's like a stretchable bracelet, although I doubt if it would fit my hands. Maybe I should try it. So this is like moonstone and golden color, and this is how the back side looks like. Right now it looks like very good quality. I can't find any rusting or anything. So this is how the bracelet looks like. The bracelet looks like on my hand. It's a bit tight. Maybe I can maybe pull it and maybe adjust it sometime. I don't know. But I like the design actually. It will fit most wrist sizes. Mine is a bit huge, that's why. Anyway, it's a pretty one. The second jewelry piece is, according to me, the star product in the box. This is an Afghani neck piece. You have like 5 to 6 options for this Afghani design itself, and this is what I picked. I saw this on their feed and I badly wanted to get it. It's very beautiful. This part, this white part, it will act like a choker very close to your neck, and the hanging part will act like a necklace. It's unique. I have not seen in any boxes before. In fact, I have not seen it otherwise. And this is how the back side looks like. Well, another good thing is it is not the typical blinky golden color. It is like a muted rusted kind of gold, which looks very pretty. It will go with most outfits and it looks really beautiful. So at the end of the video, I will try to attach a lookbook so you can check that out. Piece of jewelry. These are like pastel stones and they're very pretty. I really liked it. I like the color combination. I don't even know if I have any outfit in this combination. Maybe I'll buy one, but I really like the color combination of this one. This is how the backside looks like. It's quite heavy. It's very good quality. Frizzeel jewelry has always been very good quality. Even this one is the same. Very beautiful colored stones and it's a very pretty design. So this is my third piece of jewelry. And finally, the last earrings. You may wonder, I've just picked earrings, like there's no ring. There is an option for ring as well, but I just went with the earrings because I like these designs a bit better. So yeah, this is how the earring looks like. Another unique piece which I've not seen in boxes before. It is super duper lightweight. It feels like featherweight, and it's very stylish. And I like the quality also. It is not very flimsy, but not very heavy also. You can definitely wear it even with your western outfit. It will still look good. So I really like it. This is the last pair of jewelry in the box. And finally, we have one more cute item in the box. So let's open it up. Is this a keychain or a box? It's a box. Okay, it's a storage box. And you have a keychain attached to it. So it's weightless, so you can actually hang it like a keychain, and maybe you can store something inside it. That's very nice. Okay, so that's multi-purpose, like a small keychain come box. That's cute. You will receive either this or a cute nail clipper. Whatever, I think it's a random choice. I'm happy that I got this. It's very pretty and very convenient also. So this is my last product in the Frizzeel Shimmer box. So this is everything that I got in my Frizzeel Shimmer box or bag for 900, and I like it. I like it because the jewelry quality is very good. You don't see any, there are some Chandbalis and all that. If you want, you can go with that. But for someone like me who has so many jewelry and who don't want to go with the regular stuff, I found the options to be very good for me. Whatever I picked, I don't have them. So I was very happy that I was excited to get, especially the Afghani earrings. The quality of the pouch is, it's nice, it's good. And my cousin is here and she already has booked it because she liked the design already. So she may be taking it. And the lipstick is also a good one. I've used it before and I liked it. Chocolates, I've tasted before, they're good. The box and the keychain. So overall, I really liked what I received in my shimmer bag. And I think it's a good deal if you're looking out for a good gifting option. You can safely gift it to someone. They are probably going to wrap it up also. So overall, that is my review about the Frizzeel Shimmer bag for January. I liked it, and yeah, that's it. So let me know how you guys liked the video, whatever pieces you liked. I would like to know what you guys think of this. So we will meet soon with another video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye. So now let's take a look at the options available. These are the two clutches. You also have a sling, the picture that I don't have. You can contact Frizzeel. They'll give it to you. These are the Afghani neck pieces. And these are the lip shade options available. And here you have more neck pieces. There is the tie neck piece, which I think I've already shown you in a previous box. It's very good. You have two bracelets here, a ring here, Afghani earrings are there, tassel earrings are there. Then you have multiple earrings as one product. So if you have multiple piercings on your ears, then that you can count it as one product and you can definitely take it. Yeah, so that's it. Bye-bye.